So I went out to run some errands this morning with the 74 Corvette, and one of my stops, I went to open the door, the inside door handle fell off. So it's a little tough, but you can do it if you can put the window down and just reach the outside. I'm trying to focus in on the handle here so I can show you what's missing, and a little trick that I've found out already, even though I haven't repaired it yet. Okay, that looks like it's about right. So this handle has a place for a screw that goes in to the back of this little lever here, but you can't get it in to actually put the screw on. The little trick I found is if you take a screwdriver, and I tried this with the littler one before, but I didn't do it with the big one. You just wedge your screwdriver in there like that. It opens up that little plate. The handle goes on, and now all I have to do is find a screw that will work in there, but I can get to it from the back end of the handle here with the screwdriver. I think I might need a longer screw than that, but that actually works as long as the screw doesn't come out. It's not really screwed in well, so I am going to get a screw that's bigger, do the same thing so that I can repair my handle and get in and out of the car from the inside. Not going to record that because it's just going to be the same thing you just saw. Hopefully you saw it. Maybe I will record it a bit because I'm not sure I got that in the frame. I'm going to back it off a little bit. Okay, the other thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get a longer Phillips head screwdriver, because I was running into the handle there with the handle of the screwdriver, and it was making it a little difficult. Okay, what I got is a 3/4 inch sheet metal screw. I suspect that the hole in there is stripped. I would go look at the other side and see what it actually takes, but when I took this out, the screw that came out with it was an interior upholstery screw, so I'm fairly certain that the hole in there is stripped a little bit. But that screw held, and that's as tight as that handle has been since I've owned the car. Just to try it out, make sure it works. Just like new. Hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching.